Hello students, myself Sonal teacher and I welcome you all in computer class. So basically students, in last week we have started with revision right from first chapter. So what we have learned in the last week, we have learned about computer, a technology tool. We have learned some advantages and some day-to-day life uses of computer. I hope you all have understood that. Today we are going to learn about computers at home. So basically in 1.1 topic we have learned about computer. Right, in that we learn that computer help us to send and receive information and messages. Next thing, we use computer for communication, and again computer is useful for say, writing letters, drawing, for watching videos, calculation, games. You can play on computer, even you can listen music as well, right? So it helps us to perform our activities easily. So now we are going to learn what are the uses of computer, where the computers are used. So basically in all sectors computers are used, but the majority of the users in home, school, offices, hospitals, right? So first uses of computer is computers at home. Let's see what you can do with computer at home. So what you can do with computers at home. First thing they have shown us that you can do the calculations. So we have one software, one application in computer that help us for calculations. It calls as a calculator. जैसे हमारे पास होता है, right? वैसे ही calculator computer में available होता है. Okay, you are going to learn about calculators in detail in the next year. Next thing we have one software over there, that is MS Excel, which help us to store the bulk amount of data, and again it help you to do the some basic actions for, like you can do the calculation like addition, subtractions, or you can find the average, minimum, maximum number from the list. So these are the two options we have for calculation in computer. One is calculator and another one is MS Excel, which have the built-in function into it. Next, the use of computer at home is you can write letters in computer. So for doing an online communication, most of the businesses, offices have this kind of conversation, like they communicate with each other through emails, right? So it's a form of communication with the help of computer in the WordPad or directly in the email. You can type a letters and you can send to your friends or colleagues as well. जैसे पहले हम olden days में, and now also we send letters, right? In the same form we type the email as well, which is called also as a letter, right? So your address is compulsory, and we are when olden days we are sending the letters by post, that is also there also a address is compulsory. Okay, so these are the two uses of computers at home. First one is calculation and another one is for writing letters. Now turn your page on page number 6. Next use of computer is you can play games at home on computers. You can play video games. Next use of computer is you can listen to music. Okay, and for listening the music you need to plug speakers into computer, and then you can listen to music as well. Next we have draw and color. So with the help of computer, you can do the drawings with the help of MS Paint application. Okay. Next is with the help of computer, you can send and receive emails. So again we have learned about writing a letters. So here also for sending and receiving emails also we can get with the help of computer. Next is you can watch movies or cartoons. So with the help of computer you can watch the movies. Okay, you all know we have DVD tray in CPU. So if you want to see the movies, you can put CD into CD drive and you can watch the movies. Next, you can search for anything on the internet. So with the help of computer, you can search anything with the help of search engines. Whatever information you want to collect from the computer, you need to type the subject in the Chrome or any search engine. For example, Chrome, Google. Okay, the thing you want to search, you can type it in the computer and you can get the information. So these are the uses of computer at home. First thing is calculation. Another one is related to any topic. If you want to type a letters, you can do that. If you want to send them with via emails, or if you want to send them via post, you can take the printout and you can send the letters as well. Next we have you can use computer for playing games, and then you can listen music on computer. You can do the drawings on computer. You can send and receive emails on computer, and you can watch movies and cartoons on computer. Again, with the help of search engine, whatever you want to search from the internet, you can search on computer. For searching anything, you need to connect internet to the computer. Then only you are able to search the things. So these are the uses of computer. I hope you all have understood. Type all the uses of computer at home in your notebook. Okay, you can note it down like this: computers at home. This is the heading, and then right, you can do calculation is the one. Again, the second one you can write letters. Then third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, and eighth one. Copy this all the things into your notebook and send me on my personal number. Thank you.